So which diet is best for health and body composition? So I've seen people do well on all kinds of diets. The one underlying principle that they all follow is that they eat whole, unprocessed foods. So that means nothing coming out of a factory. That also means no seed oils. But people can be doing very well on a vegan diet if they understand how to combine their foods. And people can, on the other end of the spectrum, do extremely well on a carnivore diet. Same idea. Both of these can have nutritional deficiencies, and if people understand on how to compensate for those, they usually are fine. Both of those diets would not work for me. I don't like the idea of eating mostly meat, and I don't like the idea of eating mostly vegetables. So both of these don't agree with me. So we are very different, and we react different to different foods. We have different food preferences, and we have different food incompatibilities. And I think, we got to find for ourselves, not just blindly follow, okay, I'm going to do this or I'm going to do this, but what foods do I like, and kind of what foods work well with me. From experience, you can see that. And it's very different from person to person. So, if someone says, hey, you should follow this diet because this definitely works, might not work for you, might work for them, but not for you. So again, be smart about, avoiding nutritional deficiencies, but having whole, unprocessed foods. Cutting out, like I said, everything that's artificial and made in factories and high fructose corn syrup and seed oils. I think you can do well on either diet, depending on what agrees best with you.